Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to create a simple headband with popcorn flower. So start with chain 3 and then do 2 double crochet on the first chain. One more chain 3, 2 double crochet on the first chain. Chain 3, two double crochet on the first chain. So this is the same pattern we are going to work over and over again until we reach the desired length. So I have attached the headband sizing guide. So you will have to keep working like this until you reach your desired size. For me, I am working on a child size. So for that I will be working the same pattern over until I get 17 inches. So depending on how many inches you will be working, keep doing this over and over again, and then with the measuring tape you can measure if you have reached the desired length for your project. So I'm working a child size and I'll be working 17 inches. So I've already reached 17 inches, just making sure that my pattern is not twisted, and then I'll be joining with the first chain using a slip stitch, secure my knots, and then just leave one long tail of yarn for sewing the flower, and then I'll be cutting off the excess yarn. Our simple beautiful headband is ready. So I'm attaching a popcorn flower to it. So if you need to know how to do this popcorn flower, please go through my channel and watch the popcorn flower video tutorial. So I'm also attaching a pearl to this flower, and I'm cutting off the excess yarn and securing the knots. So beautiful and simple crochet headband with popcorn flower is now ready. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl.